Imagine turning on your laptop and everything is just black. You click your mouse, nothing happens. You press keys, still nothing. No icons, no sound, no video, no internet. That's what your computer looks like without an operating system. Now here's the magic. Everything you love, YouTube, games, music, typing, even shutting down your PC is possible because of one invisible boss running the show. It's called the operating system. Let's break it down. So what is an operating system? Let's say your computer is like a school. You've got teachers, apps, students, files, classrooms, hardware, and the school bell, keyboard, mouse. Now imagine this whole place running wild with no rules, no schedule, and total chaos. The operating system is the school principal. It tells everyone where to be, what to do, and when to do it, so everything works smoothly. Every time you click an app like Google Chrome, type an assignment in Word, open a game like Roblox or Minecraft, your operating system is the one helping your computer understand what you want. It talks to the hardware, like your screen, speakers, keyboard, and even your battery. Without it, your laptop or phone wouldn't even know how to turn on properly. Now here's where you, a student, should care. When you're writing that essay, the OS makes sure your keyboard letters show up on the screen. When you save your files, the OS decides where they go, how fast they save, and how to open them later. Even when you're multitasking, like playing music and typing a project, the OS juggles all that so your system doesn't crash. So yeah, the operating system is your silent helper during late-night study sessions. No jokes. There isn't just one OS. There are many, like different flavors of ice cream. Windows, the most popular in schools and homes. macOS, found in Apple laptops. Linux, techie, used in programming and servers. Android, for phones and tablets. iOS, for iPhones and iPads. They all do the same job: run your device and manage everything. Let's pretend your laptop is a pizza shop. You are the customer. The apps are the chefs. The oven, fridge, and sink are the hardware, and the OS, that's the manager. When you place an order, click an app. The manager, OS, tells the right chef, app, to get to work, gives them tools, RAM, CPU, and makes sure the pizza comes out hot. Smooth performance. The OS also decides how much work each chef gets, so no one gets overwhelmed and the kitchen doesn't explode, aka crash. Ever wonder how you're able to watch a YouTube video while downloading a file while typing your homework all at once? That's the OS doing multitasking. It splits your device's brain power into tiny chunks and gives each task a slice, like a pizza party for your apps. The OS also gives you the look and feel of your device. That desktop wallpaper, those colorful icons, the start button and folders. That's called the user interface, and the OS is the artist behind it. It makes using your computer as easy as tapping or dragging things. No coding needed. If you delete the OS from your laptop, it won't die, but it will become completely useless. No boot up screen, no games, no assignments, nothing. It's like removing the brain from a body. It's just blank. That's why reinstalling or updating your OS is such a big deal. So here's what we learned. The OS is the boss of your device. It manages all apps, files, and hardware. It makes your device user-friendly. Without it, your phone or computer is just an expensive paperweight. It's the most invisible, yet most important part of your device. If this helped you understand what your textbook couldn't, you're officially smarter than 90% of your class right now. So hit that subscribe, give this video a like, and check out more short, brain-friendly tech explainers right here on Hack Only Evil. See you in the next one.